Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 Remake on mobile. We'll dive right into the easiest methods, focusing on cloud gaming. This allows you to enjoy the full PC or console version of the game on your smartphone or tablet. You'll need a stable internet connection, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and a compatible controller for the best experience. Let's get started with the simple steps to set up your mobile gaming adventure. The first step is choosing a suitable cloud gaming service. Platforms like NVIDIA GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming are excellent choices, often supporting a wide range of titles, including Resident Evil 4 Remake. Some services require you to own the game on a compatible PC store, while others might include it with a subscription. Researching each platform's library and subscription model is key to finding the best fit for you. Once you've selected a service, download its dedicated app from your mobile app store. Next, pair a Bluetooth controller with your phone or tablet. This is crucial for an authentic gaming experience, as touch controls are not ideal for this title. Finally, connect to a strong internet signal, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, to minimize latency and ensure smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. A wired connection to your router is even better if possible. With everything set up, log into your cloud gaming account through the app. Navigate to the game library and select Resident Evil 4 Remake. The game will stream directly to your device, allowing you to play as if it were running locally. You might want to adjust some in-game graphics settings to prioritize performance over visual fidelity for the smoothest experience on your mobile screen. Now, enjoy the thrilling horror on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.